Choosing the right soundbar for your TV can be tricky, but here are some things to consider before getting the Vizio M Series Elevate. A soundbar is a great alternative to a traditional surround sound system. It's an easy way to get better sound without the need of a lot of wires. The best soundbars are those that can be mounted right under your TV. These will allow you to enjoy the full benefits of your TV while getting amazing audio quality. With this particular soundbar, you can set it right in front of your TV for tabletop placement or mount it on the wall, giving you some different mounting options. When buying a soundbar, one of the most important things to look out for is connectivity. This soundbar can be paired with TV sets that have optical inputs or HDMI ARC inputs. This means that you can connect your TV in a couple different ways in case your TV is tied up using some of those valuable ports. This soundbar also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, just in case you want to stream some of your favorite songs from your favorite streaming platforms. You should know the size of your room before you go out and buy a soundbar. The size of your room will determine how powerful of a soundbar that you'll need to buy. This particular soundbar puts out some powerful watts, but make sure that it's the best soundbar for your particular space. It is also important to know whether you want a soundbar with a wireless subwoofer. A wired subwoofer is cheaper, but it can limit your mobility. A wireless subwoofer tends to be a little bit more expensive, but they do allow for more freedom of movement. Most people are using soundbars these days because they're better at providing sound than what comes from your TV. This soundbar delivers powerful, immersive audio. It has a sleek design and it's easy to set up. With the added bass and high-powered watts, it's ideal for movie lovers and gamers alike. It produces a clear vocal and a crisp highs. One of the last things to know before getting this soundbar is that it's easy to set up. It comes with an easy-to-read manual that makes the setup process quick and easy for anyone to do it without any professional help. You don't need to be a highly skilled tech person to get it up and running quickly. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.